so that all 10 of us get equal opportunity and we make it interesting and effective for all the channel partners who are there today. Thank you.
Sure. Thank you. Thank you for the opportunity, Sunil Sunlegai, the Do Friendly app, and each of my brand friend that is present here on this esteemed platform. So again, you can see the screen. It's Crestworth Management Partners Private Limited. The category is not actually auditor, but those were the only groups available in the Do Friendly app at the moment. So we are virtual CFOs, management consultants. So effectively, what are we? We are management partners. So we partner with management of various businesses, and we are a group of professionals. We are chartered accountants, we are company secretaries, we are advocates, and we are valuers, investment bankers. So we provide the combined leverage of various professionals, and we help our businesses. And that is the vertical spectrum of our services. Now coming to the horizontal spread, we help you with your basic accounting, we help you with analyzing your numbers, number crunching, we help you with raising funds, we help you with strategic direction of your organization, we help you in different kind of in various aspects of your business. So again, at any point of time, you want to, I mean, the objective of every business is to earn money, and you need somebody to crunch your numbers to be able to earn money. Like Warren Buffett always says, it's all about numbers, and accounting is the language of business. Similarly, if you want to be on top of your numbers, if you want to analyze your numbers, look no further. We are the experts here. You can reach out to Crestworth Management Partners. I have shared my brochure on our chat. Please, you can reach out to www.crestworth.in, or you can feel free to reach out to me on my number. Or again, you can friend me. You can, all of you can become my brand friends. And again, I will not disappoint you. I will again try to be each one of your brand friend and try to see how I can support each one of us grow together collectively. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Nitesh. Thank you for your wonderful introduction. Just a suggestion for the future speakers. Let's talk about how a channel partner can find a prospective customer for your business. That will be very useful to the channel partners. Or what are the kind of trigger points that we can remember going forward, and that can bring you the referrals. I think that will be very, very useful for all our channel partners. Thank you. Thank you once again, Mr. Nitish, for your time.
So Muralidhar, thanks a lot. If Sunil permits, I can add 2 points as trigger points for my business.
Sure, please go ahead.
So the two things that you can immediately think of: anybody has a dearth of funds, they're looking at fundraising, whether it is debt syndication, equity, private equity, or they're looking for partners, then that can be one trigger point. Or secondly, if you're hearing of any company that says they're struggling, they're at a tangent, they're not able to grow up beyond a certain point of time, or they want to grow further, they want to set up business outside of India, overseas, and they are not able to do so, they don't know how to do it, then these are the kind of trigger points that you can think of Crestworth.
Fantastic. And I'm sure there are about 10 or 12 business owners here only. And if anybody needs your service, immediately after this meeting, they'll be in touch with you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Nitish.
Muralidhar, I will just add one point. Thank you so much, Nitish. And brand friends, here is the opportunity for you all. Becoming an auditor or investment banker, or the experience what Nitish Kashyap has learned or come with as an experience, it is a big asset. Everyone achieving to that same level of intensity, it is not easy. But what is one thing is, Nitish alone cannot reach to the several people. We as individual brand friends, each person are being connected with so many members. Now, remember certain key points. Whenever you hear someone is asking for compliance related or payroll related or accounting perspective or investments regarding for their business, think Nitish Kashyap. Now, when you think of Nitish Kashyap, you should be remembering Crestworth Management Partners. But if you are having Do Friendly, you just need to go to the search bar, enter Crestworth and click upon the banner. And once you click upon the banner, you can find Become Brand Friend. I request each member to open the application and click upon Crestworth Management Partners and become brand friend so that we as a community, shall bring referrals for him. And once the conversion happens, our friends, whoever visited Nitesh, they will get a special discount. And meanwhile, we make an incentive out of it. Isn't it fantastic? In a click of a button, we can earn from Crestworth Management Partners. Hope brand friends are clicking on become brand friend. Meanwhile, let's go to the second business opportunity.
Hello. Hey,
Mr. Siddesh, your video, we can't see you too.
sorry, there is an internet problem with here.
Okay.
Sorry. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Sunil and Murli, for this opportunity. Okay. As you can see on the banner, so basically we are a software development company. So our services are like we provide websites, web applications, and e-commerce applications, mobile applications, here enterprise applications, and all. Nowadays, software become a very essential part of the businesses.
Mr. Siddesh, you're there? Hello, Mr. Siddesh?
Okay, seems there is a network glitch with Siddesh. His voice is getting interrupted.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes.
Mr. Siddesh?
Hello.
Sunil, I think Siddesh's voice is not coming.
Siddesh, please talk.
Hello, can you hear me now?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry for the inconvenience here. There is no network. There is a network issue.
Okay, Siddesh, behalf of you, I'm introducing you. Modicum Technologies Private Limited is a software company where they have been doing about website design, web applications, content management, e-commerce services, mobile app development, ERP software, and software for hospital and digital marketing also. See, friends, this company is located nearby Ram Mandir, Rajajinagar, and they are having so much of software solutions where Siddesh has been managing the show, and he's quite having a stretch in digital technologies and web technologies as well. So now coming to the opportunities for each member, each and every person are thinking about going online on those kind of stuff. Remember, if you are interested to become Modicum Technologies Private Limited's brand friend, you just need to open Do Friendly, search for Modicum. Modicum, as soon as you search, you will find the banner, click upon the banner, and at the bottom of the screen, you can find Become Brand Friend. So with this, sorry Siddesh, I think maybe once the network is there, we can again talk later. For now, if we will go for the third business.
Sunil, just to add one more thing, there are a lot of new businesses are being launched post-COVID. Small businesses are getting launched and people are creating websites, people are creating mobile apps and all that. Siddesh will be the right point of contact for such people who are looking to start a new business so that they can connect Mr. Siddesh and they can get their website development done from Siddesh. Thank you, Mr. Siddesh. Thank you for your time.
Hi, good evening, Sunil, and good evening, Murli sir. Thank you for providing such a wonderful opportunity and a wonderful platform wherein I can represent my company and also, thank all my brand members to be a part of this meeting and hope I can add some good points. So, speaking about me, I am Sudarshan KS. So, I take care of this is my company, Moneywiser LLP. So I am the director, I am the CEO who takes care of Moneywiser LLP. So what is Moneywiser here? See, as the name suggests, money and wiser. Money is the money which you have, and wiser is just like a protection or a shield. So what we are trying to say is invest your money wisely and also protect your money where you invest. So what is Moneywiser? It is all about a financial services company, as you can see. Right, we have all kind of products, right from tax planning to investment planning, child education, cash flow planning, everything. So this is about a brief description. Now, how can you, remember us and how can you refer one of, the people who wanna, who want to know more about Moneywiser. How can you recollect our name is? Assume that you have a friend and he has a child, he or she has a child, and nowadays you're seeing the cost of education is very high. So considering the education expenses, now he's worried about how he can take it forward. So that's where we will come into picture. That's where child planning comes. Then again, I would give you one more scenario wherein there's a retired person who's already retired. He has a lot of pension amount lying, but he doesn't know where to park it. So there are a lot of people who would be looking at getting a safe return out of the money, hard-earned money that they have invested. So again, their Moneywiser comes into picture. Then, yeah, nowadays, last but not the least, coronavirus has, uh, disturb the economy and disturb the people also. Many people who were financially sound have become financially bankrupt because of the health issues that is coming, and it is causing a lot of problems to them. So yeah, again, health insurance is a very important part wherein you can refer us, you can recollect with that name and refer Moneywiser. So I'm always there on this number. You can contact me, try reaching, contact me, and as well you can refer on the brand friend app. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Mr. Sudarshan. Thank you for a wonderful introduction. So you need somebody who is looking to invest their money, or somebody who would like to protect their family by taking a health insurance. And what are the other trigger points?
Not only the health insurance, sir, we also are into risk management. Like we also do provide health, life insurance as well, and we also are into tax planning. So those who are paying higher tax, they can approach us. We can give them a better solution wherein they can save their tax and also make some investments.
So the channel partners should look ideally for their friends or relatives who are into business and who would like to do some kind of a fiscal planning is something that you can do for them. Correct?
Yeah, correct.
Okay. So thank you, Mr. Sudarshan, for your time. I'm sure the channel partners would have heard this and they will start looking out for right referral for you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Mr. Murli?
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Good evening to all the entrepreneurs and the word of mouth brand ambassadors of Do Friendly App. I am Murli Hechin from Spice Interiors, Vasangudi, Bengaluru. We are into modular home interiors. We take care of designing, project management, technical support, manufacturing at factory, and assembly at site. We specialize in modular kitchens, wardrobes, and other home interiors for new homes, apartments, villas, etc. We are highly specialized in renovating and remodeling old kitchens, where in a span of just around 15 days, we can replace your existing kitchen with a brand new one. This includes demolition, re-electrification, re-plumbing, tiling, debris removal, fixing of new kitchen, commissioning, and handover. Surprising, right? Yes, we do it in a clinical fashion. Now, with the COVID situation, we are providing a total online process and project management also. My target customers are individuals constructing their new homes, individuals renovating their home or only the kitchen, people who have bought new apartments, villa, house, etc., and NRI property buyers and investors. These are the people who are facing a lot of problem in getting the interiors done because of the distance and not being able to be here. And we specialize in this area. I have quite a few customers whom I have never met before. What's in it for me? For the brand friends who are there in the app, we have two categories of partnership available for you. One is a referral partner, where the brand friend can refer a customer. Once the order is converted, we pass on a 3% margin to the brand friend. And they can come into another category of partnership where they can be a franchise partner, where along with passing the referral, they can take care of some of the activities till the end of the project. So there they can earn a little more, up to 5% margin on the order value. And what is available for them to do this? Point number one, sales support. We provide the brochures. We have the e-brochure, which is already put up in the chat box. Now you can have a look. We have website, digital visiting cards I can provide. I can also provide you with a 360-degree view of our display center. We have a display center, a full-fledged display center in RV Road, right behind metro station in South End, which is around 1,000 square feet of display available. We have trained designers and trained backend team. We provide design, customization, manufacturing, installation, and service total. So no technical problems for you for referring the customer. So high quality products are available with largest variety of materials and finishes under one roof. That's the biggest point for the customer. We have the two series of kitchens and interiors available. One is called the regular series, where what people are looking out at economy in laminate finish. We have that also, as well as designer series, where we have kitchens in the range going from 1 lakh up to 15 lakh rupees kitchens we have done, and the full house interiors we have done more than 25 lakhs. So the basic work starts at just rupees 1,100 per square feet. So do find my company profile and my digital visiting card passed on the chat box. Channel partners, please approach me, call me. I am available on 99720-25061. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mr. Murli. So on a lighter side, with permission from all the ladies who are there here. So if somebody is really, feeling bad about their kitchen, which is very old, they can get it renovated in next 15 days. If any of your relatives are complaining, they are the right kind of prospects you can connect to Mr. Murli. Or if somebody has bought an apartment and they want to move in the next 3 months, that's the right kind of connect Mr. Murli will be looking for. And more importantly, he's also mentioned that the percentage that a referral partner, the channel, the brand ambassador, will get around 3%. We all know that he's into interiors. Each sale will be definitely in 6 digits and more. So a 6-digit sale will know how much we can earn per transaction. This is an amazing opportunity for each one of us. And I should ask all the brand ambassadors who are there today, click on this. Remember Spice Kitchen. Help your friends who are complaining about the kitchen being old. Ask them to renovate it through Mr. Murli. Help them to have a happy life. You make money. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Murli.
Along with that, we specialize also in managing the project right from the day your basement starts. So we have the patience of providing service for about 16 months or 8 months or 12 months. So our longest project in Mysore had taken about 18 months for me from the basement to the completion. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mr. Murli.
Thank you, Murli. And friends, as you can see, Spice Interiors. It is available in Do Friendly, where you can become brand friend. And also Mr. Sudarshan's Money Wiser. It is available in Do Friendly. You can also become brand friend. Going to the next business.
Patrick?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Yeah.
Good evening, friends. I'm Patrick from Prakriti Foods. As our Modi ji announced, Atmanirbhar, it's the major keywords going on from last 2.5 months. I got an idea, be vocal, be local. So I started exactly when he proposed it, after 15 days, I started this product. I am from basically a marketing and sales field. I was from tourism field, but I launched my company 2 months back to be vocal and local. So I started this company in my native place called Chikmagalur, where I started products from Chikmagalur like coffee, tea, pepper, cardamom, which we grow there in Chikmagalur. I'm a small estate owner also. So I am there in this marketing and sales field from last 20 years. If anybody wants to promote any products and they want some digital marketing and marketing ideas, you are welcome to come call me and take any ideas you want. Point number one, generally I'm telling. Coming back to Prakriti Foods, we started 2 months back, and all our products are pure and natural and guaranteed products. Even if people try it and if they don't like it, we are ready to take it back. All are guaranteed products, pure and natural. And out of it, 75% are all the products from Chikmagalur, other 25% from other places, which is again 25% of our products are natural and organic products. And again, coming back, we are coming up with something called pure organic oils manufacturing and pure soaps from the oils. This is a unique selling point for you. As you know, as the COVID has come, everybody is looking at health prospects. So we are bringing a lot of products onto it. And selling our products is very easy because everybody needs a food products like coffee, tea, pepper, cardamom, honey, or ghee. So you need not learn or educate on that programs. It is day-to-day items. You can ping me for any ideas. I'll give you. You can earn a lot of money into this. Just a referral will get you approximately around 19%. We are forwarding as an inaugural offer. We are giving up to 19% as a commission for brand ambassadors and resellers. Okay, coming back from our feedback and from last week, we have very good feedback on all our products, and all our products are top quality products. We don't have second, third qualities and all. We start with all the spices, and we do all seasonal fruits also, which comes from Coorg, Chikmagalur, some part of Tamil Nadu. For example, avocado, lemon, guava, apples, and spices. And you can visit our, as of now, you can visit our Facebook page, Prakriti Foods, or else our website, prakritifoods.com. Any questions you can post me, I can answer on the foods. Thank you so much.
Patrick, are you done with the presentation? Thanks a lot, Patrick, for your wonderful introduction. I would put it this way. Today is the time that each one of us support other person. Corona has put in a challenge to us. We need to overcome that. Businesses which are into essential products, businesses which are into necessary products, these are something which we can consume easily. And as brand ambassadors, it's easy to refer and bring in perspectives to our vendors and provide quality and genuine products to your relatives and friends. And in the bargain, you also start making passive income out of this. Thank you, Patrick, for your time. And I'm sure brand ambassadors would have clicked their brand ambassador link for Prakriti Foods. Thank you.
Thank you all.
Thank you. Ms. Gajagauri? Ms. Gauri? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, are you there? Ms. Gauri, are you there?
Hello, everyone.
Yeah, we can hear you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please continue.
Are
Ms.
you
Gauri.
able,
Yeah,
are you able to hear me?
yes, please. Yes, please.
Yeah. I'm Gajagauri. My firm name is BRG Printing. We are specialists in mug printing and keychain printing, then mobile panel printings and cushion printings, etc. And all types of sublimation printing we do. And we are finding for the individual customers, and we are providing 5% of promotion percentage to the referrals. For example, if you are attending any child's birthday, you can gift a coffee mug or a keychain or a fur cushions. Then by staying at home, you can just send a photo to us. We'll design it and we'll confirm to you, and then we'll send it through a courier. And you can become a brand friend of VRG Printing, which help you to earn. Thank you.
What are the other kind of products you promote, Ms. Gajagauri?
Yeah, only photo prints on mugs and the keychains and those things. Pop sockets.
Okay.
Will do.
Anything for offices and companies and all that?
Yes. Pardon me?
Do you do anything for companies as such? Any stationery printing and all that?
Yeah, we do.
Okay. So, okay. So I think it's a good idea for brand ambassadors to think of one of our close relative or friend whose child is going to be celebrating their birthday in August and coming September.
Yeah.
They don't need to go out of their house. They can send in the photo of their child, get a surprise gift done, celebrate their birthday, and be safe at home. Instead of venturing out, they can stay at home, still get those gifts done through Ms. Gauri and celebrate. It's a wonderful idea. I'm sure brand ambassadors, you would have, clicked on the brand ambassador button for VRG Printing by now. Thank you, Ms. Gauri. Thank you for your time.
Thank you, sir.
Mr. Prakash?
Yeah. Yeah. Hello, everybody. So, Prakash Rajwadi here from Quinel Technology. So, Quinel Technology Solutions LLP is embedded designing, PCB designing, and we do the this thing, actually manufacturing the printers, portable printers. We proud to be as a part of the Made in India. So actually we have our setup in Vijayanagar itself. Okay, so we are doing all these portable printers. These portable printers actually it will be useful like for FMCG, for the milk delivery, newspaper guy, for the any business companies. They might be required the any kind of the receipt to generate the receipt, billing, and all these things. For that, it will be required. Okay, so our printers, so many people are using like the application developer as well. Okay, so like some Vapor. So I think you heard about the Vapor billing, right? So that kind of applications also it will be useful. And like hotel, restaurant, food delivery, cable operator, for the banking kind of things. For banking, there will be like pygmy collections, payment receipt, or else any transportation, that kind of all these things they can use our printers. Okay, so that's it. And for this thing, the percentage and all these things, it will be depending upon the quantity. So for Do Friendly, we are decided to go with some 15% for the referral for this one. Okay, I think that is enough for introduction for this one.
Thank you so much,
Thank you.
Mr. Prakash. Friends, Coinel Technology Solutions is one of the, it's a smallest thermal printer kind of stuff. There are these days so many businesses are like happening from home, and I am sure whenever you think about printing of billing or invoicing kind of stuff, definitely you can think about Coinel Technologies. If for your usage, you will also get brand friend incentives as well as discount also by using Do Friendly. But meanwhile, whenever you hear anywhere, even in a WhatsApp or Facebook about like somebody looking for printing technologies related to the billing segment, do connect with Mr. Prakash. His company name is Coinel, and I strongly recommend, please click onto this banner and become brand friend so that you need not search anymore further. Thank you, Prakash. We'll go for the next.
Mr. Prakash, after the meeting, let's talk. I have something to offer for you.
Sure, definitely. Thank you, Murli. Okay.
Mr. Nagendra?
Hi, everybody. Very good evening. This is Nagendra heading HiAssist Solutions. We are in Bangalore. I myself, with an industrial background of manufacturing background of about 20 years. Okay. During this COVID, we wanted to give back something to the society. Okay. We have a parent company which is in the high vacuum technology sector in Pune. But during this COVID era, we wanted to give something back to the society. So what we did, we came up with 3-4 different products where and if anybody wants to sell a product, there doesn't need to be technologically well entrepreneurs. A common man, even even a housewife or anybody, they can start doing this business. So this was the the entire concept. So one of the prime product is Pavaka series. Pavaka is something like automatic hand sanitizer dispenser. You can see something here. I believe everybody can see this. Yeah. So this is a wall mount device. Of course, for the demo, I have made a stand and I have put it here. It just goes within the mains power cable. So fill the liquid and just place your hand. It dispenses 1 to 1.2 ml of sanitizer liquid. So you don't have to touch it. Now, this is just a 5 to 6 seconds explanation on the product. It comes with a beautiful box like this, where you have all the details here, the company manufacturer, and it comes with 1 year, 100% free of cost replacement warranty. Right now, the main advantage of this product showing it in this particular meeting is I'm looking for a target or a prospective customer is anybody and everybody. That means if one of your neighbor is having a small baby, okay, they can buy one and install, and or even they can gift it to them. Or if anybody is having a office where somewhere about 15 to 20 people are working, or after the COVID era, if anybody is wishing to open an office back, they can install one. That these are the Hampton opportunities where Pavaka can play its role. I have posted all this product details, the specifications, the catalog, everything in the chat box. So I'm definitely reachable on 951-311-328, which you can see. We have one more very interesting product that's called the Health Kiosk. That means any organization or any place where you feel about more than 50 to 100 people are going inside, or a big enterprise, you can install this Health Kiosk. What it does is it's having an artificial intelligence camera. It recognizes the face. If the face is not having a mask cover, then it gives an alarm. Then if he's wearing the mask, then it will allow, then it will measure the wrist temperature, then it dispenses the sanitizers, and all this data is logged and saved in the cloud, right? So you maybe like any one of you can refer to any of your organizational heads. If somebody is owning a factory, somebody is owning a business enterprise where he's having about 50 to 100 employees, he can be a potential customer. Okay, so I am providing an opportunity to earn somewhere about 7.5% to 8% on this Pavaka hand sanitizer dispenser, and this comes with a beautiful box. And upon your referral, HIASIS Solutions will take the responsibility of sending it by courier and all these things, and we support back to back, as I told you, with 100% replacement warranty, technical support, training support, everything. Thank you, Mr. Padaki, for giving me an opportunity. I'm definitely reachable on this number. So if anybody wants to have an opportunity to work with HIASIS as a referral partner, I welcome them.
Thank you, Mr. Nagendra. Thank you for your time. I would add, I'm sure most of us, the vendors and the brand ambassadors, would know many of our relatives who are staying in apartments and apartment complexes. And we would know a lot of associations, clubs, and all that. All such organizations and apartments need something like this to be installed at the entry point, so that their visitors and their own inmates, when they're entering the apartment, can sanitize themselves so that they are safe and they are keeping their neighbors totally safe.
Perfect.
Thank you again. Thank you, Mr. Nagendra, for your wonderful introduction.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Pataki.
Mr. Rahman.
Hello.
Mr. Rahman.
Can you hear me?
Yes, please. Yes, we can hear you. Yeah, please go ahead, Mr. Rahman.
Hello.
Yeah, Mr. Shafiur Rahman, please go ahead, continue.
Okay, sir. Myself as an MEP engineer, okay, I worked in the swimming pool industry in Dubai for 17 years. And I have opened a company called Moti Pools, okay, which I do construction of swimming pools and maintenance of swimming pools, okay. My request is, if you have any your friends, you can just introduce my company to them, okay. And we do take any kind of installation, swimming pool equipment installation, each and everything, okay. With this short speech I have done, sir, okay.
Oh, okay. So you're basically into swimming pool construction and
yeah,
also
construction and maintenance also.
And what about products, accessories which are required for swimming pool?
Yeah, I can supply to them. Yeah.
So what kind of customers do you look for?
Basically, I'm looking for the maintenance, swimming pool maintenance work or construction works.
Okay. So I'm sure in today's you will be looking for various apartments which have got a swimming
exactly
pool, or hotels and resorts which have a swimming pool for their
exactly
maintenance.
Yeah.
And upcoming new properties with swimming pool. Those are the kind of connects you want.
Exactly.
I'm sure our brand ambassadors would have listened to this. So there are two kind of vendors we can connect in one shot. If you know an apartment complex, one is from HIASIS, Mr. Nagendra. The other one is Mr. Shafiur Rahman. So two connects you can build if you know a friend or a relative who is staying in an apartment complex. Thank you, Mr. Shafiur Rahman. Thank you for your time.
Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Shafi. And now I introduce Mr. Muralidhar Padaki to talk about his entity.
Good evening, friends. My name is Murlidhar Padaki. I started this initiative. It's not yet a business venture. It's an initiative called Rise Above. Let me tell you a small story. On 15th of March, the trouble for a travel operator, which is my profession, started. Businesses lost. We lost all our travel business. We lost the business which we were planning for the month of April, May, June, and all, which was for our peak summer season. We had to kind of go nowhere to find a way out for ourselves. In general, our travel operator friends, they had to cut down on staffs, cut down on their expenses. And today, after 4 months, I can tell you my income is just 2,500 in last 4.5 months. I'm not ashamed to tell you, my income is just 2,500 in 4 months. The pain is there in me, and the pain is there in everybody in the travel industry. So I never took this pain into my heart. I wanted to do something for my travel industry and in general for people who are struggling. So the Rise Above is an initiative I've started with an aim to help people who are finding it difficult to make their livelihood come up. So we will be helping brand ambassadors or channel partners or freelancers whom I call to look at a beautiful concept like this as Do Friendly. That is the reason why I'm emotionally connected to Do Friendly today. We all can make money out of this kind of a wonderful product. If you know somebody who is kind of, finding it difficult to maintain their livelihood, ask them to talk to me. I can tell them how Do Friendly can help them. Make them the brand friend immediately. I can help them to understand various products. And on the other side, I help small businesses to leverage my experience. I've been in the business for last 30 years. Whatever I have learned, I would like to give it to all the small businesses who might have that kind of a challenge in reaching various people in short span of time and at affordable cost. To start with, I am a freelance marketer. I've taken this initial first product to take the blessing of Lord Ganesha. This is a wonderful environment friendly product which each one of you as a brand ambassador can promote. The forthcoming Ganesh Chaturthi is on the 22nd of August. You can promote it through your Facebook page, your WhatsApp groups, WhatsApp status and all that. Ask all those who celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi to book this idol, get it delivered to their home instead of going out in open, contacting Corona and all that. Let them avoid all that. Yet do the puja, and after the puja in the evening, when they want to immerse it, they can immerse it in the bag itself that we provide you. And over a period of next week, that Lord Ganesha will turn into a flower plant, and that flower plant will stay with you for next year or so. This is a wonderful idea which a small business owner has started, and I thought, why not I support him? So for a brand friend like you will get about 10% on the product price that we are offering, and your customer also will get about 10% from this product as a discount. And I can see one of my brand friend was already started promoting it. In first day, in the very first hour, she got me 4 referrals. Out of that, 3 got converted, and she's proud person in my list was made a sale of 3 Ganesh idols for me. The idea of Rise Above is to help brand ambassadors, freelancers to make money, and I can give them various ideas. Please connect me to such people. And thank you for your time.
Thank you. Product.
I think there's some disturbance.
Okay, you can also mute the person when you find. Anyways, friends, brand friends, this is something interesting and very important right now. The next 5 minutes will decide how you can make money from each and every person of what you learned. Every human being's experience is very important. When you have experienced so many businesses, now just recollect. If you're seeing the screen, check out this. Talk and earn like a celebrity. Whenever you open the application, you can search and find the business whichever you saw right now. As soon as you search for that business, you will find the banner. Once you find the banner, you can directly click on refer button. And as soon as you click on refer, it will ask with whom you are talking. Let's imagine if somebody was talking about like sanitizer kind of a thing, you can immediately think about Hyasis. Now, just as soon as you search for that company, you can click refer and enter the customer mobile number. And you can tell the customer, I have sent you the contact details of the vendor. Please call to them. They are really nice person, and tell my name. And along with the OTP, which you have received in SMS, you will receive a special discount. In real time, as a DoFriendly user, you can track in mobile application whether the customer whom you sent, whether he purchased, for what value did they purchase, and did they get the discount also. And as soon as the vendor makes the payment for the brand friend, it will directly appear in your track summary, which can be directly withdrawn to your bank account. Now, friends, Shah Rukh Khan does the brand ambassadorship for businesses. He will never sell it. You as a person, you are also a celebrity. You can always suggest, hey, it's available and I know a friend. You can talk to them. If buying and leaving is their decision. Now, you have learned some 10 experiences of the businesses. Imagine how much kind of an earning we can do it. Here, there is no investment. Here, there is no kind of an operations. There are expertise in so many businesses. There are so many business holders. We are just helping them. Whenever we hear some person, do not ignore it. It is an opportunity. An opportunity, you just need to open the application, search for the business and click refer, enter the customer mobile number. As soon as you enter the customer mobile number, the customer will receive the contact details of the particular vendor, and even the business will get a notification telling that brand friend is talking for you. And if the conversion happens, there is high possibility of conversion happens whenever you refer for the person who is in need. And with your trust, just like Shah Rukh Khan, how people trust for Shah Rukh Khan, each human being has their own set of influence. Now, every person's word of mouth influence can be tracked and you can earn out of it. And DoFriendly is the live example. Now, as of in this word of mouth club, you learned about 10 businesses from where you can earn. Now imagine, can we start a swimming pool business immediately? Thank you so much for Shafi Rahman. And now think about the MoneyWiser. MoneyWiser is a financial advisor and they are having a financial planning experience. Now we need not become a financial advisor. We know Sudarshan. We just need to click refer whenever we find financial advisor or any kind of an investment planning. And coming to the investment planning, there is some for regarding the investments, we can think about Crestworth as well. Let's have a quick glimpses. Crestworth is a management partners. Please open the application, DoFriendly application, Crestworth Management Partners. You can search for it and become brand friend. Second one, Modicum Technologies. For any kind of web technologies, mobile applications, in one search, this company is yours. Similarly, MoneyWiser. MoneyWiser is a company, comprehensive financial planning can be done, and they're very smart, and they're located in Bashwesh Nagar, and you can keep talking about it. End of the day, you are brand friend. And Spice Interiors. They also call Spice Kitchens, anything. Friends, one of the biggest conversion happened was the interiors company. A lady earned 18,000 rupees in single transaction. And I really like Spice Interiors also because as of today's Word of Mouth Club, they are the first interior company in Word of Mouth Club's first meeting. And Prakruti Foods, I'm sure when they are from the Chikmagaluru and they have a quality products, there are so many things we can, whenever we want, we will just refer Prakruti Foods, and we are also owner of quality and healthy foods. And printing. Friends, many people love to introduce or give gifts for their known people. Even if we ourselves want it, think about VRG printing. Now, if we as ourselves use the referral code, we earn incentive as well as the discount, special discount, because you are brand friend. Coming to the Coinel Technologies, this is something a very compact and very interesting printer. I am sure any kind of vendors or small business owners, they would love to have this kind of a handy product. Now, we are also partners for Coinel Technologies. Kindly, please become a brand friend so that this becomes as your favorite business in your application. And HiAssist Solutions, this is a need of the hour. Every time you see in the WhatsApp or Facebook, somebody is asking for sanitizer, do not ignore it. It's an opportunity. Now, because of you, even the customer gets a special benefit. And similarly, you can also own HiAssist Solution because you are brand friend of HiAssist Solution. And Leela Enterprise is a footwear company. Footwear stand.
Leela is not there today.
So today they have not joined. Anyways, and I really like this swimming pool because many of my far people, guest house people kind of stuff, they are thinking of swimming pools. Now I know the contact whom I should be doing, and I would love to be sending customer for Moti pools maintenance and constructions. Thank you, Raymond sir. And today's trending thing, Ganesha idol. This is a handmade Ganesha and eco-friendly Ganesha. They have amazing planning of making this idol was so much of nature oriented, and we need not worry about this bringing of painting or high color kind of stuff. Now it is, we can buy Lambodar 2020, and please do touch with Muralidhar Padaki. This product, I am sure he would also share you some specific videos, and you can also become brand friend for Rise Above to talk about Lambodar 2020. And with this as a last point, talk and earn like celebrity, because you are also not less than any celebrity. We ourselves are our own influencers. With Do Friendly, we will come with an closing this first word of mouth marketing club. And I'm sure it was interesting. If any person, we will be open for 5 minutes. If anyone has a specific doubts related to today's presentation or getting clarification, we are open for discussion. But before talking, tell your name and tell your question is for whom, so that they can answer for your question.
And continuing with what Sunil asked, please be specific about your question. Thank you. Brand ambassadors, you have any doubts, please ask. Vendors, you have any concerns, please ask.
Padaki, more than a doubt, I just want to understand, is there any recurrence of this word of mouth club? Recurrence of meetings, can we stay as a close group? Can we keep meeting on a frequent basis?
Mr. Sunil will answer that.
Nitish, we are thinking of starting a weekly oriented word of mouth. Okay, as we are going pan India by this another couple of days, we will be available in pan India. So we will be having a structured team about it. So far, as of now, every week this is being planned. Every Saturday, 6 o'clock, we will be connecting brand friends to the businesses. Any business owner can revert back to us, so that only the selected vendors will be getting to pitch into the particular word of mouth club. And if you are a business owner, or if you know already a business owner, you can also invite, you can reach out Mr. Muralidhar Padaki or myself, so that we will register for next week's word of mouth marketing club.
And to add to what Mr. Sunil said, it's also important for you to identify your own brand ambassadors from your customer list or well-wishers, and ask them to come and join this, so that they can also start earning passive income, not only by promoting your product, also promoting various other products. So each time that you do, you will be really helping out people to make their passive income. Thank you. Anybody else?
All right, and one more point. Now think about the vendors. If one person, if one vendor becomes another vendor's partner also, that is an expansion. This is a generation of like collaboration. Even I, as a having a perception marketing company, I would love to be a partner of Murli for interiors also. That's a big money. It's an opportunity for me as well. Now, similarly, Patrick George, who if he wants to do something about related to the printing or any gifting items, definitely Gajagauri is there. It is always like we as a community, we starts helping each other. That is a big resource as well. And do become brand friend for each other. So the moment you give one referral to the other person, automatically they will be in the obligation of giving you back also, because trust is something which automatically evolves in this club. Yes, Nagendra, you wanted to talk?
Nagendra, please unmute.
Yeah. Sorry if I'm taking another 2 minutes of your time.
No problem.
Two very quick questions. First, is this Do Friendly group is organizing for a periodic interactive sessions like this, maybe monthly ones, so that we all keep in touch on a regular basis and keep expanding our friends on either side? That's one. Second thing is, I request Mr. Sunil to whoever joins, okay, can we have an orientation program how this app works? Because I got this app education from Mr. Padaki, and I'm very glad that I learned maximum out of it. But it would be really helpful. Like you would be definitely having a list of new business partners. So we can have something like an orientation program, maybe for 10 minutes, 15 minutes. And you can give some live, because I can go to the stage 1, stage 2. The moment I send a referral, okay, I really don't know how it works, because unless the customer responds and I get an OTP, that's an unknown part for me until I get it. So I'll be very curious. So if you as a technocrat, if you can simulate something like, animation or do some blah, 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 then you can give a presentation or educate us. That will be very helpful, so that, all the business partners will be confident what they're going to do.
Yes, Nagendra. Nagendra, coming to the Word of Mouth Club, it's a weekly oriented, where this is the only place, Word of Mouth Club, where brand friends and businesses will get connected. But coming to your question, yes, we have something called only dedicated meetings for brand friends only, where these are the people who will be getting educated how to use the mobile application. And that will be usually on Mondays. On Wednesdays, we will be only interacting with the business owners, how they can benefit, take this technology and use it for their businesses. On Saturdays, we will be connecting both brand friends and businesses. So this is the standard formula which has been planned up. And in Mondays and Wednesday meetings, each person will be going deeper with the technology, how to encash maximum out of it.
Wonderful. That's what I just wanted.
So right now we are not planned it yet. We are very shortly, because we are going pan India, and that is something very important as of now. We are planning for Monday and Wednesdays very shortly. But meanwhile, Saturdays Word of Mouth Club will be ongoing on the way.
What would be the approximate tentative time schedules you would be?
6 to 7 is the standard plan which we are thinking of. 6 to 7.
Okay.
Sunil, I'll take 20 seconds on this. Nagendra and all the vendors who are there, you go to the app, there is you go in the search box, put in as many keywords and type about your product. If the keyword is not giving you the result of your company name, that means you need to add that particular keyword immediately. Think of your product, think of the way customers search for your product, just the way how Google gives out results is the way even this app will be able to give you the results. Put in as many relevant keywords as possible so that your company will pop out the minute one of the brand friends are searching for your product. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, friends, and thank you for so much of your time. But one thing, trust me, today's Word of Mouth Club is one of the spark for us, and this meeting will be memorable for long and long. I'm truly thank you for so much of effort what your vendors have given, and all the brand friends who have joined today. It's an opportunity, friends. Starting a business, it's a kind of like very tiring task. But when already people are doing it, let's help it. If you feel like that you are excelling in it, definitely you can start your own as well. But as of now, in a click of a button, you can become a virtual owner of any business, and Word of Mouth Club will help you to increase your experiences and meanwhile connect, grow, and evolve. With this, we will wrap it up. If any person has any queries, you can feel free to drop me a message.
Somebody is raising their hand. Mr. Karthika, you want to speak something?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. So coming to the closure of it, thank you so much for each of a person's joining hands, and please become brand friend so that company will become respectively available for you even without searching also. And I hope this edition was helpful for you. With this, we will have a first meeting with cheers showing in the display the logo of the application. It's a Do Friendly. This is what is going for the next
Sunil,
person.
can we take a pic of this?
Okay, I can.
Yeah, take a pic of this, and because all those who have removed their video, can you put it on video mode, please? Please, requesting all Shafiur Rahman, Ms. Shweta, Deepak, Keshavan, Patrick, Sunita. Please open your video if possible for a minute. Gopal Krishna, Shweta. Can you open your video for a minute?
Yes, show it to the camera.
Yeah, so.
Thank you, friends. We will try our best for bringing much value for each and every person. Let's talk together. Let's talk more and grow more. Thank you, friends. Thank you for joining this Word of Mouth Club.
I should be thanking Sunil for advancing this program from 30th August to 1st of August and for making this happen. He was a very busy person who had to launch it pan-India, but still encouraged me and making it happen. Thank you, Sunil. Thank you for your time.
So, Mr. Sunil, just one last question. I can see all these 23 or 29 participants who participated today. All are there in that group which you have created in WhatsApp?
Yes. Most of them should be there.
Okay, and one more question, like, if there are more members, more than 29, probably you have not listed everyone. So you are planning to add them in future if you have not added?
Okay, let me give you a good input regarding how word of mouth goes based upon the psychology reason. Whenever any vendor comes to pitch their business, try to bring 5 people from their end, because word of mouth, it is a spark. When your known people starts talking about this, it is the biggest, it's kind of a chain which keeps on growing. Unknown person, we as a company from the Word of Mouth Club, we try to bring in and bring closer, but try to bring at least 5 people for this meeting. And trust me, based on the psychology effect, it works in much bigger way. And we try our best to bring all our clients, and we have some systematic approach. One day we will be surely doing it for 1,000 people in one shot. 1,000 people will be interacting and getting the recognition for each vendors as well. We are on that spark.
So we can put our small banners in this WhatsApp?
It's not in the WhatsApp. It is right now, we are not WhatsApp oriented. Reach out whenever you want to pitch for your business. Please reach out to us so that we can keep it ready for the next Word of Mouth Club.
Okay.
We just started today. We are
sure.
Yeah, we have learned, and we'll give you a better version in the coming session.
Yep. Thank you, friends. Thank you for so much of your time. Any further questions, we will take it offline. Thank you so much. Have a great weekend.
Thank you all.
Thank you. Thank you, Sunil.